Good morning, traders. This is Michael coming to you from GammaEdge on Friday, September 15th. Friday, September 15th. Happy OPEX day. We'll be looking at the market structure this morning, heading into the options expiration. We'll also be taking a look at our tick market model, which had a state change yesterday. And then we'll be looking at some pre-market price action. Let's go ahead and jump right into it.
Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Here we have the SPX PM settled, all expiries turned on. Again, call dominated. You should be able to identify transition very quickly. 44.90 to 44.95, spot price above 4,500, which was a bullish development as of yesterday. Closing above transition above 4,500 was important. We wanted to see the calls continue to fill in above us and those in the money puts get closed, and now we are call dominated above and below spot price. So solidly green on the net deltas. To the upside, we'll be watching 45.25 to the upside. To the downside, we'll be watching 44.80. We see a little bit of negative net delta come in there. The net GEX transition obviously is very well defined there. So not anticipating much below 44.80. If we do get some weakness down towards 44.60, we look for it as an opportunity to get involved in the market as long as the CT is staying in a trend up above the moving averages market look and a trigger on day. So again, 45.25 on the upside, 44.80 on the downside, and 4,500 significant level to stay above heading into next week to continue our upside movement. 0DT, again, very well defined transition, which is what we like to see for our trading plans for the day. As you notice, we'll in the money and out of the money call dominated, spot price again above 4,500. You can easily identify where the negative net deltas come in at 45.40, so moving above that 45.40 into that 45.50 would most likely be very difficult if we get up to that level. Again, 45.25 extremely important there. We anticipate some stalling if we got up to that level. And then on the pullback to the downside, we'd be looking at 44.80. Again, confluence from all expiries into 0DT, which is good. We like to see that multi-time frame, multi-expiry confluence. So getting involved in the market on any pullback, we believe is probably the proper plan as of now, at least as the short-term CT is turned on. Overriding market model is still off. We'll discuss that. Here's heading into Monday expiry for September 18th. We've changed to a call dominated state, which is good. We want to anticipate us staying above transition in 4,500. 44.70 the downside, 44.90 easily defined transitions. We see these negative net GEX come in. Any pullback down toward 44.50, again, it's a mix of calls and puts below us, but solidly call dominated above us, so speculation is alive and well. We have a clear path up to 4,600. Obviously, some stopping points in that trek up to 4,600, so 45.40, 45.80, and then 4,600. If the market continues and the tick looks strong, we do have that path to the upside. Here is the balance of next week. Again, call dominated. This structure is continuing to evolve and look supportive and look for opportunity to the upside. Again, 4,600 plus GEX up there continues to be a very strong target. Time frame will be determined as we continue to watch for call speculation on the vol-u/vol-d command targeting above. Again, in the money, out of the money call dominated transition, very well defined. This will be supportive on any weakness as we come into those levels. If we do start losing transition, 44.50 is probably extremely important level there. We'll watch for all expiries and into next week, and then below that 45.25. Not anticipating any much more weakness below that 45.50. Again, call dominated above us, so the trek higher most likely would continue. Here's all expiries turned on for combo complex. Again, a significant amount of liquidity below us, transition very well narrow and defined, so you'll notice that across all expiries, this transition is very well defined, which is good. Again, spot price staying above the transition is extremely important, as we discussed multiple times here at GammaEdge. And then as you see the 2 billion net delta sitting down there at 44.50, so anticipating any pullback to be able to get involved in the market in a call dominated environment. To the upside, 45.25, 45.50, and then 4,600 plus GEX still continues to be that nice upside target on out in time. Here's the landscape view. Again, solidly bullish, call speculation alive and well above us, and then transition and negative GEX continues to be well defined. We do not see the puts build out below us, and we are changing to an in the money and out of the money call dominated state. So again, again, moving to the upside would be the plan structure stays. Here's our GammaEdge handout this morning for all of our members, provided early. Again, commentary for all of our PBI charts. We'll draw your attention to the market model via the cumulative tick. We did have a trigger update, which TC8 tag combo. Make sure you go ahead and download those tag combos and read the commentary, understand what the possible forward gains can be that we've provided and back tested with our partner EdgeRater. And then we had a trigger update TC10 with the moving averages. Make sure you understand what that is. So we had a combo trigger from TC8 and TC10. So again, shortest term time frame trading is on at the moment. Market model, which is our long-term timer, continues off. Red below cyan, negative slope. What we want to see this short-term CT start moving into this ribbon and then start living above the ribbon to turn this into a positive slope. Again, as the whole market model is in a off state and a negative slope, moves up are highly prone to failure on the short time CT tick. That's why we say it's a 0 DT 1 to 3 day time frame. Make sure you're managing your risk appropriately. And then we had those both triggered there on the ribbon here. We'll go ahead and draw your attention to Twitter. We posted a nice Twitter thread previously when we got to options expiration, and then we've updated that thread last night. So make sure you're looking at that and understanding what the implications are with the SPX AM settled heading. Take a look at the pre-market price action. This was a divvy for SPY. That's what that bar is, if anybody is wondering. And then back up, and then we have our levels very well defined. 450 was an important level on SPY yesterday. We'll see how we handle that level. Again, 4,500 P-trans heading into today will be extremely important. IWM continues to be weak, even on any move up, so we'll see how that spills over to the rest of the market. And then Qs 378 to 380 will be extremely important. All right, let's make it a great Friday, everybody. That's all I have. Let me know if you need anything. We'll be in the Discord in just a few minutes to have our morning discussion. And that's it. Everybody have a great day.